Still thinking chatbots are the future of business? Let me stop you right there, because the game has changed. We're now in the era of autonomous AI agents. These aren't just glorified FAQ bots. They're intelligent systems that manage your entire customer journey. Proactively, intelligently, honestly, kind of magically. Let's break it down. First, hyper-personalized customer care. Imagine AI agents as your always-on support team. They handle questions, understand customer moods, find orders, and solve problems instantly. And when things get tricky, they hand off to a human, complete with a full summary, so nothing gets lost in translation. Next up, intelligent lead generation. Picture a digital prospector that never sleeps. They scan the web for your ideal customers, reach out with personalized messages, qualify leads using smart questions, and even book meetings directly onto your team's calendar. No more chasing cold leads. Then there's data-driven sales acceleration. Your sales team gets an AI co-pilot, automating CRM updates, generating quotes instantly, and even predicting which deals are most likely to close. It'll suggest the next best move, so your team always stays one step ahead. But here's where things get wild. When you connect all these agents into one seamless ecosystem. Now you've got a unified AI-powered customer lifecycle. Lead Gen AI qualifies the prospect, Sales AI closes the deal, Customer Care AI supports them, and the cycle feeds right back into upselling. It's one smart, continuous loop. You can build this today with tools like Relevance AI, N8N, and VoiceFlow. This isn't just automation, it's a strategic upgrade that'll give your business a serious edge. So, what's the first process you'd automate with an AI agent team? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to see what you'd build.